Recording is happening. What I was telling, right? Yesterday I was taking interviews for my company, right? So if you look at Satyabama, well, from Indian company. So basically, I don't know whether you can see it. Is it visible?
Yes,
Visible, but
Kela.
it's been very small.
Is
The
it?
font size
Okay.
is
Yeah,
yes, yeah.
now
Okay.
better.
So this is an awesome guy. Okay, this guy is very awesome. He was able to answer each and everything in machine learning and everything. But when I was checking his Python skills, right? So he was able to write it, but somehow he did not understand what he's writing. Okay, and I will also tell you what question did I ask. So it is very small program, not very big program. Only the you can see here, right? I had given him a question, and that question will come here. Give me a minute. So what I'm saying is we have to reach until that level. 1 minute, guys. Hello. Yeah.
Yes, Kader.
Who is this? 1 minute. Yes, madam. Who are you? Sorry. Good morning. Good morning. Who are you? Madam. Can you call me tomorrow? Sorry, guys. I did not find mute button. So I thought Sajni is calling. Her name is also Sajni. Okay. Give me a minute. So basically, what I'm trying to tell. Am I audible?
Yes, Kader ji.
Yeah.
Kela, hello everyone. Good morning. Sorry, I'm
I
late.
Yeah, Lima. Let's try to come on time.
Yes, sure, good.
Okay.
And there was a power cut at home, so the EV for people came in, so
Yeah. A lot of power cuts are
couldn't
happening,
join.
and
Yeah, that's the reason, bro. But I'll make sure next time it'll
yeah.
be on time. At
So
least I'll try to join over mobile.
hmm, is it visible to all of you?
Yes, Kader.
Yes, Kedar.
Okay. Yeah. So see, the question given to him was right, in the Python develop a simple student result analysis system. Okay. So basically, the question is telling create a Python program that manages and analyzes student academic results, right? Using OOPS concepts along with libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib. So basically, he had to do these many tasks, right? Create a class named student analyzer, and then take multiple students' input, wherein like name, their marks in mathematics, science, and English should be given. Okay, and he had to like implement three methods. So one method will calculate total marks obtained by each student. Uh, the other method will calculate the percentage score by each student, and the third method will display these things. Okay, and he had to use NumPy, okay, to display average percentage of all his students, highest percentage and lowest percentage. And I also asked him to use pandas, right, where he can store like each and everything in a tabular format. Okay, and using matplotlib library, he had to draw x and y axis graph. Okay, and here were some instructions given. So this candidate, right, who is from Meta, he wrote it, but his code did not get compiled. Okay, his code did not get compiled, and he was telling that it's very much important for him to get a job. Okay, so I don't know, like, see, his code is not running; it is justly running. Right? He was only able to print his dictionary alone. So that NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib, this did not work for him. What I am saying is, whenever you guys are doing coding and right, so understand each and every step because interviewer will twist the question. Right? Here question is very easy. Like take student names as input and print them. Right? But you have to use certain things like NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib. So now I was helpless. I was not able to do anything. But in the meantime, there was a girl from a small company, right, was able to complete it. See, hmm, her code got compiled. Now, after data analysis, right, his student's name and percentage marks is also visible, and she was also able to develop a small machine learning code on top of it. See, so that's the reason I'm giving stress that we should write code. Okay. Now I have not started this kind of coding for you guys because basics are pending. Okay. Getting my point now? Why I'm showing all these things?
Yes, Kedar.
Hmm? Yeah. So because we have to learn each these things as well. Okay. These are called advanced Python. So if you go to interviews, they will ask you to go to Google Colab. Google Colab is like our notebook itself, right? Oh, wherein like whatever you are doing today in Jupyter Notebook, you can do online. I'm just showing you uh, what I developed for them. Right? So this is a code. So in live, they will give you questions and you have to do the coding like this. And which is very easy, guys. Okay? Step by step, you understand, then it will be, you can easily achieve it. So this is what I have coded. Um, yeah, and I was expecting them to do the same. But even people from Google Meta, they are not practicing and they are not able to do. Okay? See here. So student A, his marks, student B, their his marks, percentage, everything should come, right? And NumPy analysis. So he- here in NumPy analysis, we are calculating average, highest percentage, lowest percentage, and in students' records we are displaying in a tabular format, right? And using Matplotlib, we are doing display of the. This is called data visualization, right? On top of that, what we can do, we can deploy a small machine learning model of 10, 15 lines and complete it, right? If you are able to understand this much in coding, then doing machine learning project very easy. Okay? But people are not able to reach until this step. Even 10 years, 15 years experience. I don't know. He transitioned from not he alone. I think I've taken close to 20 interviews last week, and only one or two people were able to successfully complete. And this is a small assignment. Once he goes to second round, this will become little complex. Right? They will ask you to design a Swiggy like Swiggy kind of thing, right? App, and predict like how much time it will take to reach from Perumbakam to uh, maybe PayPal office or Altimetric office. Okay, so those things are very easy. So the reason I'm telling that please practice. Okay. See here what we are doing, right? They have so here the person is using a student which is like method, right? Then dictionary is coming. Here also a lot of powerful functions. Then these four loops we already understood, and then we'll learn this printf, print and then f. Okay. And this is how to draw plot, and this is like how can you display something on the. This is how you'll take input and all. Okay. So I'll be covering each and everything, but please do whatever questions are given. Okay. And I see as a group, working as a group was a requirement, right? That is not a like good to have. That is must have, guys. I'm seeing one group is little active, but other groups, are you guys solving them as a group or
So, yeah, we are in the group. Probably we will add there
what is
also, Kedar.
happening?
Yeah, Kedar. I
No,
think,
no. Being in group is
uh,
okay, but are you
uh,
solving seriously?
yes,
Yes,
yeah.
yes, yeah, yeah. We are able to.
Okay, okay.
Kedar, we are all belongs to somewhat same team, so we discuss daily on the over phone, or when we meet, we are
Yeah, yeah.
discussing.
For your group, I don't have any problem. There are
That
newcomers also.
yeah. So Satish and Prashant is
Mm.
also from the same team. Yeah.
Oh, in Altimetric.
Yes, Ultimate Rig, same project. They're all on the same group.
Acha. See, as long as you guys are doing, I'm not worried. But we
Yeah,
have to.
definitely.
Our goal
Maybe
is to get placed, no?
as spy,
Mm.
it's an initial stage, right? So it's easy to sort out, and we are able to solve it. Maybe going forth, it will be a very
Okay.
tough. Yeah, to be moving to another topic. As it's Python, right? I think people as aware some uh, uh,
Yeah.
syntax, those things. Yeah.
Mhm. No, no. As long as you guys are comfortable
We are
talking,
every day we are connecting. I am connecting to Tamil Prabhu.
do it.
So, yeah.
Okay. And don't feel disappointed something is not working or you're not able to understand. Okay. So this is how it will slowly and steadily you will learn. Okay. But just check whether like no you're improving every day. You are able to solve something. Are you able to write some new programs? Right? Whether it is a whatever. Right? All right, then we'll be moving for ahead. Okay. So is there any doubt, guys?
No, Kedarji. Good from my end.
No, Kedar. Good from my end also.
You able to have the logic? Also, if you go to it, okay. Anyone is having any doubt, team?
No, Kedar, you can push. Push.
Proceed. Okay, fine then. today, uh, okay, let me tell you one small thing which is important. Okay. Suppose in Java, what happens, right? If we are writing a equal to 10, right, and b equal to 20, right, then this is in Java, guys. In order to swap this value, what we have to do? So in A or B, right, these two memory locations are created. Right? This is B. In A, we have 10, and in B, we have 20. Right? Suppose someone is asking like swap this variable. So output should be A should be 20 and B should be 10. Right? So what we usually do is we used to create a temp variable. Right? We used to take a temp variable, right? And then in temp, we used to write it like this. Right? Assign A equal to 10. So 10 will go here, right? Correct. Then, so 10 will go here, right? Then in A, I'm assigning B, right? And again in B, we were assigning this, 10. So this was the code. So we used to write temp equal to A. First, you're taking a temp variable and putting the value of A. Then in A, I'm putting the value of B, right? And then B equal to temp. And if you print A and B, now your values are, right, swapped. This is for swapping. In Python, Python also you can do this. Right? So Python has two flavors. Python swap supports first one is traditional one. Right? So whatever you have written, temp equal to A equal to B equal to temp. This is also possible. Okay? Right? And Python also supports what you call. Satish is out of office, out of station. Okay. Now I'll directly take this B comma A and write like this. So what happens? This is called tuple unpacking, right? So this the value of 10, A was having 10 and B was having 20, right? So from here, if you write B comma A equal to A comma B, right? So A's value will go to B, right? 20, and A is having, so the value of B will go here, 10. So now it will become, so when you print A and B, it will give 10, print B, it will give no. Right? Initially A was having 10, so that went to B. So 10 will go in B, 20 will go in A. Clear? So this will give 20 and 10. Any doubt here? So what I'm saying is, suppose A is having 5 and B is having 7, right? So if you want to swap it, right, A and B, just put it like this. B comma A equal to A comma B, right? And once you print this, A print B, you will get swap values. This is known as tuple unpacking.
Very simple, bro. This
Yeah.
is really helpful in handling data, right?
Yeah.
Rather writing a program for just assigning, reassigning. I think this can really be one
Yes.
step for us to assign and reassign.
Yeah, Nima. So it is easy and we use it quite often. So suppose you're writing A equal to 5, B equal to 7, and don't give A comma B. So you are assigning like this. So here A value is equal to B, your value will go to A. This is known as tuple unpacking. Okay. Now print A and print B. It got reversed, right? A is giving, okay, 7 and B is giving 5. Okay. So when you did your sorting program, bubble sort or selection, did you use this logic or Paula? Okay. I think I have to explain bubble sort to you guys because it comes in exam. And I personally ask this sorting algorithm, sorting, searching. Okay. So bubble sort. We should know how to build the logic. Okay. So what is bubble sort? Can someone tell me what is bubble sort? Yeah, it is a sorting technique, but what it does? Suppose initial array is 6, then I'll take some big values. 64. Am I audible? Hello.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes, yes.
Okay. The exact question came in, I mean, yesterday. Yesterday I was talking to one guy. Oh, what is bubble sort? I know in during college we studied, but our teacher didn't explain it properly. So it is a sorting technique. Okay. So why do we call it bubble? Right? So you must have seen in the bucket. Bucket, water is there. Right? In bucket, water is there, and you are putting some raindrops are falling here. Right? Some raindrops are falling, and it is having some surf or something. Right? So what happens is like this water goes out and bubble will come out. So suppose I have like one small bubble, one big bubble, one very big bubble, one biggest bubble, right? So which one will come first?
Big bubble
Raindrops are falling. Suppose
or
this is
small?
create. Yeah. So a small bubble is there. Then this is little more bubble. This is this much bubble. So when raindrops fall on your surf water, what basically happens is, right? So here Newton's third law also applies. Right? Every action has equal and opposite reaction. Right? So the raindrop, which is creating biggest bubble, right, that will go hit somewhere and come out. So the biggest bubble will come out first. Right? That's the reason it is known as bubble sort. So here also in this sorting technique, right? So suppose there are 8 elements. So 8 pass will be there. There will be 8 passes. Okay. And the biggest number will be sorted first. At the last, biggest number will come. Right. Then in second pass, I'll explain. Then in second biggest number 64. Okay? The 64 will come out. So you're seeing, right? Biggest numbers are bubbling out. They were somewhere in this list or array, but the biggest number came out. Right? So as a bubble they are coming, we'll just say that, right, it is bubbling out. 64. Then in pass 3, right, in your pass 3, 90 is already sorted, 64 is already sorted, right? Now 34 will come out. Likewise these numbers will be coming out, right? So in one pass one bubble comes out, one number comes out, and it is bubbling out. That's the reason it is known as bubble sort. Right? Got it? Why do we call it bubble sort? Because in each pass, right, because in each pass, right, the largest number gets sorted out, right, and goes to the last. Means it is your array, right? Something got sorted here. So like a bubble, it came out from a list of numbers, right? Then second bubble is come out. So these bubbles are nothing but your numbers. So first 90 is coming, then 64 coming. That's the reason it is called as bubble sort. Prashant, are you clear?
Yeah, Kedar.
Okay. Soundarya,
Okay, then I have doubt. It sorted out to the end or at the beginning?
see,
The
if
largest.
you are doing ascending order, right? If you're doing ascending order,
Okay.
then it will be in last. If you're doing in
Oh,
descending order, then it will be in the first. So mostly
oh,
sorting is done in ascending order. That's the reason we call it is coming in the last.
okay, got it. Yeah.
Right?
Mm.
So let us build a logic now. So I'm taking the same array. Just give me a minute. So what was the array? Hmm, 64, 30. I'll take little smaller or same also. Okay. Definitely they will be giving negative numbers also. Okay. So this is my array now. Just a minute. bubble sort. This is your array. You can give any name. So I have 64, 34, 25, 12, 22, 11, and 90. Right? You can have in any order. This algorithm should complete, take care of each and every number. Okay? So first thing is you just figure out n is nothing length of this. Length of array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 7. Now we have to run two loops. First loop will give only first loop will keep track of the passes. First loop will not do anything. So I'm running a loop for I in. Right? Now we don't have anything, right? So to get the index, right, I have to use a range method, range function. Right? Here, put range as n. So this will go from 0 to
So, 6.
6, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So this is a 0th index, first, second, third, fourth, 5, 6. Right? Now you have to use nested loop. Give a tab space here. Then because this will only keep track of pass. Run another loop, change the variable name for j in. Right? Now I have to check. Right? Again, I'll use range. So I'm comparing this number and this number first. Right? Then swapping will happen here. Okay. Then we'll be comparing this with this. So we'll trace this program also. Okay. It is very important that we know the logic. So just go from 0 to n minus I minus 1. I'll tell you why it is happening. Hmm? Then we have give a tab space here. Put check if a of 0 is greater than a of if it's 64 greater than 34 because I want big number to go in the right hand side. Right? Here. So we will be swapping it. If a of j 0, right? If a0 is greater than a of, so each adjacent number will be compared. So this is the logic. Okay? If that is the case, right? Then swap. Then we have to swap, right? And for swapping, you can use temp method. You can use your direct method also. So let's do first temp. So you're taking temp of j. So basically right now 64 and 34 are there. Right? This 64 is in a of j. Right? this 34 is in A of plus 1. Right? So I'm taking a temp variable, and in that temp, I have to put it this value, right? And whatever comes in temp will go to A of j, and from A of j it will go to A of j plus 1. Getting right? I've taken a temp and assigning 64 here. Right? Then A of j is having 64, and this is also having 64. So what we should do? Whatever value is there, 34. Now 34 should go here. So 34 will come here, and now it is having 34, right? So now I have to assign temp to 34, means 64 to 34. So for that I will write. Now temp is having A of j. A of j should have A of j plus 1 value.
Bro, just a question. So A
Yeah.
of J should be greater than A of J plus 1, right?
Yeah.
Which
Yeah.
means, see, 30, like for here, the scenario is 34 is not greater than
No,
A
no,
of
no. So
J.
this is
I'm not
34,
getting
no?
that. Yeah,
So this is A of j Lima,
yes, okay. And 34 is A of J plus
and it
1,
is A of j plus 1,
right?
right? So now 64
If A of
is
J is
greater
greater
than
than,
34,
okay,
then only it will
I
go in.
see, I see. Yeah, so temp now will hold to 64. Okay.
Yes. So
Okay.
now your temp, what temp will hold? Temp should hold this one. Right?
Hmm.
Temp should hold 64. Right?
Hmm.
Now, then see here, this also became 64. Right? In this
Yeah.
step, what happened? Temp is holding A of j. So here 34, 64, 64. But I have to swap it. Right? So now here, right, I have to assign this value. Means A of j should have A of j plus 1. See, right? This value will get
Yeah.
assigned to this. So I'll just trace it for you. Now temp is holding how much? 64 now, right?
Yeah.
A of j is holding 34, right? But A of j plus 1 also should have something, no? Then only it will swap. Right? Now this became 34. But this is also 34. So this should have 64 now. So this should have temp. Because temp we are not using. Temp is only for temporary holding. Okay.
Hmm.
Temp is only for swapping. So now you can see, right? In A of what happened? Earlier 64 and 34 were there. So using temp, I was able to solve it.
Hmm.
Now A of j is having 34. Okay. So this became 34 and this became 64. Okay. This is known as swapping. So this is the core logic. Anyone having any doubt, guys?
Um,
No, Ketan.
Lima?
no, bro, I'm just trying to
No, no, no. Just
trace
trace
it.
it one.
Hmm.
Yeah, trace it
Yeah,
one.
yeah, yeah.
What I am saying is, suppose initially when I explained A equal to 5 and B equal to 7, right? That time I said, now you have to swap it. So you can do temp, we can without temp also. So in temp, put value of 5, no? So in temp, put A. So temp
Hmm.
is having 5 now. But at this place, A is also having 5, correct?
Yeah.
Because whatever was there in A, that got assigned in temp. So now my scenario is like this. Temp is having 5 and A and B are also having 5. So
Understood. Understood.
now at this step it is not swapped. So when I do further assignments, then only it will be swapped. So what we have to do? Temp equal to A. Right? So whatever value you are taking here, A ideally A should have the value of B, correct?
Mm.
So assign A equal to B. Right? Now A was holding 5 earlier. Now A will hold 7. Right? So now A is having 7, B is having 7 and 5. But till here it is not swapped, right? Because A is also having 7 and B is also having 7. But temp is unnecessarily holding 5. Right? So this
Mm.
I will assign this 5 to B. Right? So in B you assign temp. Correct?
Yeah.
5.
So bro, I just want to see the loop. Can you just go up a little bit on the program so we can?
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Why we are
This
using n minus
little bit.
I 1? Why we have to reduce one day
Which one?
nested
Here.
nested loop?
J in range 0 to n minus I minus 1. This one you're
So
telling?
yes, for the first iteration it will be 5, right?
Yeah, yeah. So how much is n?
That's
N is
this is 30.
N is 7, right? So 7 minus I is 0 minus 1. So it,
Bro, just 1 second. I'm sorry, I'll explain here. Go ahead. Explain.
okay.
because I am going until 0 to 6. Okay. I cannot, okay. If you're taking 0 to 6, right? What will happen is,
Last number will be taken till last number.
yeah,
Drops. If you look at that way, okay, when it give an error,
yeah, I will see. It will not give error.
So this one. A and J. This one equal to 10. Brother, can I ask my question? So, see,
Yeah.
during the past, right? The first, I think, the first loop for I in range of n, right? I think we are going to trying to traverse through the. We're trying to traverse through the entire array that we have, right? That's the loop we do,
Correct.
right? Traverse through entire array. And the second one is to for the actual sorting, right? We're just doing the sorting by looping it.
Correct.
Where I in
Yeah.
range of 0, n minus I minus 1, is it? Or what is it? Why do we do
Yeah,
that?
n minus I minus 1. Because, see, you
So
are
n is
comparing 0th element, right?
Why can't we give just range of n? That will also traverse through the okay. Okay, we are just taking the two to each pair of numbers. I get it.
Correct. So if we trace it, it will be easier.
0 and then n I what is it? N I what does it happen here? So 0 n I is what in the range. So it was 0 minus 1.
See,
So like what does
first
this
time
n
I,
I first in the loop will come, bro? First loop, what would be the value of n minus I minus 1?
yeah, 6 is it's I've written here.
Mm.
0 to 6, right? But the loop will not go till 6. It has to go till 5. Right? You have to reach
Yes.
till here, no? Right? And
Oh, I see
you will
the range
compare
of.
this and this, right? Because see here what I am doing, A of j and A of j plus 1. So yeah, and your loop should run until 5th. even though you have taken 6. Your loop ideally should work until 5. Then only fifth and sixth element you will compare, no? Suppose j is here, so this will be j plus 1 in last pass, correct?
Okay.
If you are taking only n means 7, right?
Okay.
And n plus 1 is 8. But 7 itself is not there, correct? So I have to traverse only till 5. Any doubt? No. See the logic here, right?
Yes.
I am comparing second last element with last element. So my jth loop should go until second last only, right? Because j plus 1 will automatically give this index, correct? Suppose you are writing here n minus I, right? It means in a way you are reaching till here, right? And at the last pass, you are comparing this element with empty. That time your program will fail.
Yes, it is giving list index out of range.
Yeah, something
So
will come.
yeah, see, n is 7. Okay, the len is 7, right? So 0 to 6. So that's why he's saying is 7.
Yeah, no. So 0 to 6, but range function what it does, range is 0 to 6, but it will go until 5 only, no? This is what range prints.
Oh, I understood, bro. So you're saying n is 7. You're saying 7, right? So
But
I'm just confused there. Will that n hold 7 or it will just hold 0 to 6? Because the range of the n is actually the length of an array. Okay, it's 7. I get it.
yeah. No, Lima.
Okay.
Suppose this will become what? For j in range of, it will be come like this, right? Right? But it will go from 0 to 5 only. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Between 0 and 6, how many elements are there? 5 elements only, no? I mean 6 elements. Why will we take seventh element? Because 0 is also counted. This is a function of 0, the range. 1 minute. For I in range of
REN.
0 to 5. Type. Five elements only coming. Right? Last element will not, never come. Correct?
Got it, bro. Sorry, I was talking on mute. Can you just go a little bit high? Just want to see the visual. Okay, so in the first, okay, see. So the A
Yeah,
of
here it will be. Here it will go
first,
from 0 to
yeah, so
6.
correct 0 to 6. Okay.
I mean 6 only coming, no? N is 7. Length is 7. First pass I is 0. Right? And minus 1 I am giving. Right? So understood the logic or not? Okay, let me change it. Okay? Your array is 10, 5, 7, 21, 6. What is n? N is len,
Length of array, yeah.
right? Length of array. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Now for I is going for I in
This is for the passing of the entire array.
right,
Okay.
and for j in range of, now you have to go from 0 to fifth, 0 to here, 0, 1, 2, 3. Right?
Mm.
So what will you write? How will we write here? It is 0,
0.
then n minus I minus 1. Because I don't want to go until last. I want to go
Mm.
until second last, so that when my j is here, j plus 1 will be here. Right? Now, is 20 greater than 1? Yes. Right? So the swap will happen. Correct.
Mm.
If you are here, if your j is here, j plus 1 will be outside. If j is here,
Mm.
that time our logic fails, right? So we should always go one less than last element. Are you getting doubt here why I'm taking I? Because I is changing. In second pass, I will be 1. So
Mm.
because first loop, pass 1 is going from I is here, right? In second pass, I will be from here. Right? Third pass, I will be here. Fourth pass, I will be here. Right? Clear, right?
Yes, bro.
Yeah, let me do it. You will learn. We'll do it. I'll explain when I'm tracing it. Suppose my array is 64, 34, 25, 12, 22, 11, and 90. Okay. I'm taking n is nothing but len of ARR. Write a for loop for I in range of n. So your loop will go from 0 to len. Okay. This is nothing but 0 comma n. Okay. For j in range of n minus I minus 1. Okay. Now we have to see, we have to check, okay, this element and this element, whether this element is greater than this. Okay. Then it will be swapping. So a smaller element will come before. So if ARR of j is greater than, then we'll swap. Okay. ARR of j plus 1. Then you take temp equal to ARR of j, then ARR of j will hold ARR of j plus 1. Okay. And then whatever value is that there in temp, that will go in ARR of j plus 1. Sorry. So you can also realize this, right? Temp, see a temp and temp is coming in the left and right hand side. ARR of j and ARR of j are coming in right hand and left hand side. Here also it is error of j plus 1 is coming in left hand side, right hand side. So this is how you check balancing. If you're not understanding, then just see whether all these things are balanced or not. Then only swap will happen. Okay. Now you have to come out of for loop and print. Maybe sorted array age. Just print ARR. Let's see. It's visible to you. See here, 90 is there. So 90 is in correct place. Let's assume I'm writing like 90 here and 11 here. Okay. So first 90 got sorted and 90 came in. Now 90 bubbled out. Then 64 was in first place. 64 bubbled out. Then 34, 25, 11. Right? So all larger elements will go in the end and smaller will be in the beginning. So this is in the ascending order. Right? Descending order, just see, right? If 64 is lesser than this, descending order only condition will change. If 64 is lesser than 34, then we will swap. Okay. Clear? Now tell me how many you didn't understand. I'll explain. Otherwise, we'll move forward.
We'll move forward, Kedar.
Okay. Okay. So we have completed the, uh, this one, right? We'll go for tuple today. This is a data structure which is called as tuple. So tuple is written in this way. Suppose you're writing something A, you will be writing in the parenthesis. Right? Suppose you're writing 1, 2, 3. Right? This is called tuple. So tuple is a data structure, right, which is ordered, right, and it is immutable. Okay. Since it is immutable, we cannot insert anything. We cannot remove anything. Right? Insertion is not allowed. Right? Removal is not allowed. Right? You cannot assign anything. Right? You can't assign anything. And it also allows multiple data types. Right? So it allows multiple data. It is very fair to write like this. You suppose you're writing a tuple A. So you got it right. Tuple is ordered. मतलब there will be zero index, first index, second index. You can write like this. Suppose if you're creating a tuple A equal to 10, then 10.5. So this is int, this is float. Then you are writing a string, suppose Kedar, and you are also giving true value here. Right? So this is allowed.
And then how it will be ordered if the multiple data types are allowed?
And so order means at zeroth place, integer will always come. You cannot change it. This is known as ordered. अगर if you are printing a of 0, you will get 10. A of 1, you will get 10.5 as output. If a of 2 you are printing, you will get Kedar. And a of 3 if you are printing, then you will get true. This is known as ordered. So each time program execute, right? So they will not change the this. Okay? Unpacking.
Okay.
So let's assume I have a tuple, right? Tuple A is equal to 1, 2, 3, right? And I'm taking, so these tuples are in a collection now, right? There will be a memory somewhere and they will be stored. Like at zero, right? But Python allows tuple unpacking. Okay? What is tuple unpacking? Suppose uh, you want to break it. You want to break this combination, right? So you take three variables. Like I'm taking writing like this: b comma c comma. Okay? So I have taken three variables and assigned tuple to them. So what will happen here?
So we will have
One will go, then this c will have
two.
two, and a will have three. So how many variables are you using? Uh, will be assigned here. Okay, printing print b, print c, and print d. Right. So this will give you 1, 2, 3. Right. So basically, in Python, you can break the tuple that is known as tuple unpacking. Okay. Any
So if
doubt?
you just don't give, no, if you don't give them D, right? So just give BC equal to A. So will that throw an error, or you just assign as 1 and 2 for BC, and the third element will be left?
Yeah, I'm
Third
coming to that.
assigning. So,
Right? Suppose we'll see that when you do the program lemma. Okay.
sure, sure.
Right? Suppose I have little bigger tuple 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? And so this is use of star asterisk. Let's assume I have like three variable B, C, and D. Right? and I'm assigning A here. What will happen? Right? From here, now A is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? From here, the first, because these are variables, these are not tuples, and this is tuple. Right? So 1 will go here. Right? So B will have 1, C will have 2. Right? But 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now multiple values should be going to D. Right? For that, we have to have like asterisk here. So asterisk means remaining
That will
values
become a
will,
tuple.
yeah, remaining values will be assigned.
This is called what? This is
Sorry.
this is still called as a tuple unpacking. Okay.
Yeah, tuple unpacking, because one variable you're assigning in 3 variables. Right? Suppose you want to assign 1 in B and 7 in D. Right? So I'm taking this was one way. Right? What will happen here? B, C, D, right? Equal to A. What will be the output now? So from here, I want A. So 1 will go here. Right? 6 I'm assigning. I mean 7 I'm assigning here. Right? So rest 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 should be going to C. Right? So this will take star. Clear? So star takes multiple values and variables take star star C takes multiple values. Right?
Just go a little about bro. I think I didn't follow what you said. For this the second scenario, B asterisk C. How are you assigning?
Okay. No. I'm not assigning. Python is designed in that way. Suppose
Yeah.
Lima B is here. Right? So B means start of the tuple. So 1 it goes here. Now D. Right? So D is your last element. Correct? In your tuple unpacking, D is your last element. B, C, D only you are
Okay.
taking, right?
Okay.
So 7 will go here. Right? Last element.
Oh,
Right?
the
First,
rest of
first,
it.
first went
Yes.
here. So rest of it, if you're not assigning in star, it will throw error. So you have to give rest of this. Right?
Okay.
So
Okay.
interview tuple question
That
comes, right? They will give you a very big, yeah, tell me.
so that's taken care by Python itself, that assignment and making it the last index.
Correct.
It is.
Yeah.
Okay.
So very important interview question, right?
So,
They'll give you assign, right? Or print. Right? First, last, and middle element using this. First means what? Just use this
yeah,
logic.
serial.
A, B, middle elements. Middle elements means multiple elements. Right? C and D. Assign A here. And print B. Right? Print C and print D. We'll see. Anyone has any doubt in tuple unpacking?
Good.
Let's move on then.
Okay, sir.
Creating a tuple. Okay. Thanks, guys. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is tuple. Print A. So we are able to print tuple. The only concept in tuple is like how will you do tuple unpacking? Okay? So suppose I am doing, let me reduced tuple. Only 3 elements. B, comma, C, comma, D. It is a very simple case. And assigning A. And you are printing B. So it will throw error, right? Too many values to unpack. Because why?
Star B.
No. 1 minute. But I have taken 3 only, no? B, C, D equal to A.
No,
No, 1 minute. Are we using A, B somewhere? Okay.
yeah, above.
So variables are there.
Yeah. You have to assign A as T the first time.
Yeah, I'm getting. Tuple T is defined, right?
So, does it actually takes 11 and 10 as separate programs, bro? Because the T is value is not assigned. It shows like, can you just copy this XYZ equal to T into the program 11 and run it? Maybe it is just showing that 2 different programs might be.
It should not really. You're telling same cell.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, this is, yeah, let's try one.
ABC equal to T only. This is what we do.
Can we
Any
run it?
space? 1 minute. Space is needed or what?
No, I didn't give space. It's working for me, Kedar.
Same thing?
Yeah.
Yes.
No, sometimes
Can
Jupyter
we
not.
take a new wait,
Sorry?
can we take the new one and run it?
Yeah, nothing is wrong. Hmm. Why it is done? 1 minute.
It's
It should be
working.
bracket.
It's working.
Working, huh?
Yeah, it's working.
Square bracket, right? Tuple equal to. No, not necessary.
XYZ
No,
equal to
this
tuple.
bracket.
It's
I'm trying to figure out what wrong I'm doing.
mhm.
Now it is working. Not sure.
That might be some other data variable name, right?
But that's ideally it should not.
I think Kedar is confusing the Python.
No, this Jupyter notebook because I'm not practicing these days. So there are machine algorithms and all. Basic things I'm not doing. But sometimes I'm using it and it works fine. Okay, that is fine. So here your guys fine, right?
Yeah. Yes, go.
So I'm taking T1. Okay. Now I'm assigning T1 here. Right? So what will happen? I have three variables only. The first will go to first element, last will go to last element, and last variable. So one will go to X, 7 will go to Z, and S 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 should be going to Y. So for that we have to give a star. Right? Suppose I'm not giving a star.
Oh, one error.
Yeah.
Many values.
Yeah. So too many elements. Okay? So let me give star here. Getting right? So you should print the output like this. To the examiner, you have to tell. So 1 will go to X and 7 will go to Y. But list of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 will go to Y. Okay? Here, see, it is creating a list and then it is being assigned. Clear?
Yeah.
Now I'm giving T2. Okay? So I want first element to go here, second element to go here, okay? And rest elements will go to Z.
T2 need to be set. Yeah, both are
Yeah,
having set.
values are same. So any doubt?
Either only want 1, 2, and 3. X should be 1, Y should be 2, Z should be 3, right? What to do?
Yeah. Okay. Tell your tuple. My tuple is
The same thing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
okay.
But I want in X is 1, Y is 2, and 3, Z is 3. That is what I want to print.
You cannot because tuple should have a memory.
The rest of the things it will throw error.
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah, it will throw error.
Is the chat here to just show this program? Let's use the chat.
Chat. Huh?
Yeah, just this is what it does. This so if you're just giving a beyond out of bound indexing, right? So for the B, what it does is it just assigns a null value for B, and then it says 2, 4, like 10, 2, and 4. I've just
Yeah.
pinged you the program in
See,
the.
it will behave differently, Lima. But what
Yeah.
are you assigning? Tell me. X.
And I've just pinged you the program here in the chat. You can just copy it and paste it here.
Okay.
In our chat.
chat.
Yeah. Yes.
I think in
Not
Zoom chat.
in WhatsApp. I mean, yeah.
Okay.
But yeah.
I think I will paste in WhatsApp together if it is easy for you. One second.
Do you want me to put it in the WhatsApp group?
Yeah, do now. This one is not minimizing. Yeah, I can do now.
I think I have pinned the WhatsApp to Kedar.
Okay. So you are telling.
No,
So
no,
one
not
will
this
go
one.
here.
No, not this one, Kedar.
The other one.
Another one, Lima have posted. This is one I have posted sometime back. 1 second. So input is like a equal to
Okay.
10 comma 2 comma 4. Yeah, this one. This one you are seeing it. Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. Good. Thank you.
Yeah. So 2 should go here. 4 should come here. And
No,
star,
what
you're
happens
printing
is
a star
B
bits.
doesn't have any. Yeah.
Yeah. So okay. So assignment happens first based on how many variables are available. So only 3 single variables are there, and you have 3 single values. So 10 to 4 are assigned, and for him, for star B, there is nothing remaining. Right? So it will give you empty. Suppose you want to
Yeah.
increase it. Suppose if you're writing 1 and 3 also.
What it will do is it will say to
So
no 413 the values for
no, no, no.
6D.
No,
Yeah,
that is fine.
413 and yeah.
413. So three variables are there. Three
Yeah.
variables have gone here. Right? And since you have given star B itself, right? So first element you are expecting list. So first precedence will given to single variables.
First question is good.
So clear?
Yes.
4, 1, 3, 1, 4, and then 10, 2. Suppose you are increasing one more variable here. What is happening? K. So now you have 4 variables. So 3, 1, 4, and 2. 3 will go here, 1 will go here, 4 will go here, and here you will get 10, 4, 1, 3. I mean 10 will go here. 10 to 4, 1. Why it is not giving? Okay, we are not printing that. If you print K also, it will come. So you can play around, but concept is clear, right?
Yes. Good. First precedence. Then 2.
Is there anyone who is still not able to understand?
No, Kedar, we understood it.
So this tuple unpacking is also available for list. Okay. Suppose my list is like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you want to print L1, L2, L3 is equal to list. Print L1, L2, L3. So it should throw error. Too many values to unpack. So I'm trying to give 1, 2, and rest of the items here. Right? So this should have star. So output should be 1, 2, and then this will be a list of list. Clear, right? You can expect one or two questions around it, either in coding round or in so many interview round. Okay. Team, can you proceed further?
Yes, Kedar.
Yes, Kedar.
Okay. So next one is set. These are small programs, guys. I mean, small concepts, but its uses are very vast. Hmm. Okay. So can someone tell me now what is the difference between list and tuple? This is also one of the interview question.
List is
Let
mutable.
let me write Prabhu.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And tuple. Okay. So first difference is list is mutable and tuple is non-mutable. Any other difference?
We cannot insert, remove, or assign in tuple, but we can do in list.
Yeah, that is only mutable and non-mutable.
Data
Okay.
type.
Both allow all data types.
Yeah, both allow all data type.
Data types.
Ordered
Both
one.
I think.
Both are ordered also. Any other? Just think.
Where items file process and couple and
Yeah. So elements are written here in square bracket and here in parenthesis. We should know three differences. Okay. List had many methods, right?
sorting can be done in the list and couple.
So list is best for dynamic allocation. Correct, na? Because you can increase. This is a
Static.
dynamic collection. Right? If you have written an empty list, right, you can put L dot append and keep on adding infinite number of elements. Right? So dynamically, the size of list can be increased and you can also remove as well. Right? So it is a dynamic collection. Right? This is fixed. Tuple is fixed size. There is one more difference, which I would, the moment you'll ask, they will go very deep. So list is slow. Its performance is slow. It is fast. Right? Because list is growable. List is growing. Right? Suppose initially your list is this much. After insertion one element is right. So if some data structure is going to store larger number of data sets, right? Definitely that will be slow. Right? But here tuple is fast because we are not supposed to uh, insert or delete anything. Right? So its size is fixed. So what did we learn? It is first one is mutable, right? It's non-mutable. It starts with elements are enclosed inside parent square brackets. This is in parenthesis. Right? Here elements can be allocated dynamically Here fixed size elements are there. Okay? List is slow because it can hold infinitely large amount of data. Okay? It is fast, so its size is fixed. You will remember this, guys. Team.
Yes.
Yeah, Kedar.
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Yeah.
Yeah, fine. Then we'll move to next data structure. So we learned list and we learned tuple, right?
I'm
The third
sorry.
one is
I have a question just keep
set.
popped up now.
Tell.
Arjun. Yeah, so we are doing this bubble sorting on integer of list of integers, right? So
Hmm?
if a list is having a names like kind of a char of a string, will the bubble sort? Oh, just curious to know, will that work?
Yeah,
No,
it will
right?
work. It will work.
Okay,
Based on
okay.
character, you can try Lima, it will work.
I'll try.
Hmm?
Yes, thanks for
So the searching doesn't depend on data types. Okay? As long
understood.
as our logics are correct, it will
Hmm.
work. Okay.
Got it, bro. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. So set is a data structures in Python. Right? Okay. This does not allow duplicate. This does not allow duplicates. Second one is it is unordered. Okay. So far we learned list and the previous data structure tuple, right? Both were ordered, but list is unordered. Okay. So you cannot access list elements using a of 0. Sorry, set elements. Unordered means they can't be accessed using index. We'll see them. These are mutables. Means you can add, remove elements. Okay. So what are the new properties? Like it is a data structure, right? That does not allow duplicate values. Suppose if you're adding 1 and 1 twice, right? So it will ignore the second one. It will only add 1. We'll see that. Okay. And it is unordered. So it cannot be accessed via index. Let's go and do list. Sorry, not list, set. Now I'm going to set. Let's assume S is something. Okay. And you can use here curly bracket. It is elements are inside curly bracket. This you have to use. For list we used square brackets, right? For tuple, we used parenthesis, right? And here we will be using curly brackets. Okay. Set S. All right. So I'm taking 10, 20, 30. Okay. Print S. So it is coming. Suppose I'm adding one more item, 10. So 10 is twice here. This is S1. So see, I did not allow duplicates, right?
Okay. Hmm.
So let us try to access something using print indexing. Okay? S1 of 0 if you try. Error. Set object is non-subscriptable. So subscripts are not allowed. Not access them because they are unordered. Clear?
Then how can we take each element from here, Kedarji?
Yeah.
Using
So
tuple unpacking only. Sorry.
yeah, you can do tuple unpacking or you can. So mostly if you are using list, right?
Hmm.
Hmm. So list is for different purpose. Okay. Maybe you can have like list inside a tuple.
Okay.
So maybe I'll come to that. Just getting a call. So let's see. You're telling iterate over a list, right? How will you iterate?
So from a list you are asking, Kedar.
Mhm.
So
No.
from using, sorry,
Yeah.
go on.
So what is your question? Now go ahead, Prabhu.
So my ask was like, when set right, how will you get the index of the value? So as it is not unsubscriptable, right?
Mhm.
So how we can take the element, each element from there, from the set, Kedaji? I
Yeah.
asked whether we can use tuple unpacking. If not, is there any other way, Kedaji?
Yeah. So now when we tried propose S1 of something is giving error. Right?
Yes,
So
Kedaji.
what you can do, we can.
Mm.
Okay. So I'm just writing. I'm writing a set for you.
Okay.
Set equal to 1, 2, 3. Correct.
Okay.
Now index doesn't work, right? But
Yes.
I can very well convert this into list.
Oh, okay.
List L equal to, there is a function called list. Okay. And then pass set here.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, got it.
Now you can print. You guys understood what
Yeah, yeah.
Prabhu is No. Others.
Typecasting. Okay, bro,
Yeah.
but just curious to know, in what are the places that we, in a real-time use case, we have to use set?
Set, suppose you are reading data, okay, from any website, and you don't want to display customer items in customer details twice. You will use whenever you want to suppress duplicates, you will be using set.
Mostly, then it comes under the username password category, right? So,
Now, 1 minute. It's not capital L, it's small L. Lima, 1 minute, one at a time.
Duplicate data, right? Since we are using set into the list.
No, it should work. Is equal to
Open
S1.
bracket, close bracket. It's not of scope. Bracket after list. Okay, Doc.
Okay. No. This is the syntax. List object is not callable.
Oh.
Working, Kedar.
Working for you?
Not working for me.
Not sure what is happening. Can you ping?
Yeah. Okay.
Where did you ping? In WhatsApp or?
No, I'm WhatsApp.
Mhm. Let me ask what is wrong. Maybe set S7. Where, Uma? I did not get.
Is it there? May confirmed.
Yeah.
bro, just include a duplicate value in the set, okay? What it does is, it's still giving only the non-duplicate values.
Yes,
No.
it removed.
Why it is not compiling here? Are you executing a Jupyter notebook?
Jupyter notebook only.
Okay. Sometimes it works cagey.
Giving me the output 1, 2, 3, 4, removing the duplicate, and then print L
No,
of 0, print 1.
some,
Can we try new variables, bro? Totally, maybe that's the issue we're
A
seeing it
new
often, bro.
okay. Okay.
Bro, can you just add a duplicate value, comma
Yeah,
4?
Lima, I'm adding. I'm adding. I'm just trying
Yeah.
to print L of 0 here.
Okay.
Prabhu asked.
Oh,
Yeah,
sure.
Prabhu. So we can convert list set into
Thank
list
you.
and print. Okay.
Yeah, thank you, Kedar.
So all these things we'll cover when we do programming and all tomorrow.
Hmm.
Yeah, Lima, tell me which one you want.
No, I was just
Comma.
saying, add another duplicate value 4 or 3. Yeah.
Okay.
Now you print it. Just remove 0. Just print L. So it's actually removing the duplicate. It's kind of the set always has a non-duplicate values, and that's it's getting assigned to list. So the duplicates are
Yes.
automatically removed. Yeah.
So set is used to filter out duplicates.
Yeah.
Kedar, but in some scenarios when we have to use without duplicates, then this will not work out, right?
Yeah. So see, you will be using set and all only for restoring password and all, right? Not
Oh,
for like.
okay.
What is my
For that we have
problem?
like we have tuple, we have dictionary, right?
Yes. Okay. Understood.
Okay. Set. Are you guys clear with set?
Yes, Kedar.
Yes, Kelvin.
So you can use it if the item exists previously or not. That is one use case, right? You can also use to find common elements or unique elements between collections. Let's say, ma'am, I'm writing, suppose a set is A. Set is A and another set I'm writing is B. 1, 2, 3. Okay? 2, 3, 4. And you want to print 2 here. Print. Let's do both. A minus B and A plus B also. So this is not actual use, but this is also one of the use when you want to have like what are the
A minus
intersecting
50.
elements, right? That's so set usually what is happening, right? In set, what usually happens. So suppose I have a set here, A. Right? I have another set B. Right? This is a normal set. So 1, 2, 3 and 2, 3, 4 is there. So set A is having 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. Right? So 1 is here. Right? So 2 and 3 are common. Right? So 2 and 3 will be here and 4 will be here. Right? So when you're typing A plus B, right? A plus B is nothing but union. Right? So we will get answer as 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? We should not get 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. Let me see. I haven't tried. This is the mathematics. So it should keep that only. Oh, it's not supported. Set and set. But minus is allowed.
Change the source code, bro.
Hmm?
I'm just
It's
saying.
working for
Change.
me.
No, I'm just saying change the source code of Python. You have the access, right?
Plus B not working. A minus B only working.
Okay. Then it is not supported. So I'm giving you a like how will you get common? Suppose this question comes somewhere in interview round or something, right? You should be able to answer this. How to minimize this? Not it. So A plus B is not supported. Fine. This is not supported, but A minus B is supported. Okay?
Yes,
A
it's 1
minus
and
B.
4.
But
So
What would be the output? 1 and 4, right?
no. A minus B means from
Need the
A
values
take out
from
2.
A.
So only this much will come. This area. This area
Okay.
only one is there.
A minus B. Okay, I see. Understood.
Start developing models from next week. Okay. And
Focus. Wait this way.
are you guys ready for 15 more minutes?
Yes, Kedaji.
So most of the data structures we have completed. From tomorrow we'll do extensive programming. Maybe 20-30 programs we'll do. So only dictionary is pending. Okay. And then next week we'll go to advanced Python. Okay. Let me teach some maths today. Okay. So this is my, everyone knows how to draw graphs, right? Suppose I have y equal to mx plus c. This is the equation of a straight line. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. Okay? So this is equation of a straight line. Someone is typing, please mute, no? This audible. Y equal to mx plus c is the equation of a straight line. Right? Here y is y-axis, x is x-axis, m is slope, and c is intercept. Let us draw a simple graph for y equal to 2x plus 3. Okay? So this is equation of straight line. Okay? This is dependent variable. Okay? And this x is independent. Because see, the value of y can only be derived, right, when we know the value of x. Okay? So here give x, y. Take any values. Suppose x you are taking 0, right? Then 1, then 2. Very basic graph I'm drawing, right? Okay. So what is happening when x is 0? Right? So y will become 2 into 0 plus 3. Right? So y is 0 plus 3 means 3. Y is 3. Right? When x is 1, y is 5. So y is 5. When x is 2, y is 2 into 2 plus 7, right?
7.
7. Now let us
Bro,
try to plot.
I'm sorry, bro. I didn't follow it. Can you just repeat it?
Okay, Lima.
From
So
I'm
no, no.
sorry.
So no problem. I think I was going fast. So y equal to 2x plus 3. So
Okay.
this side, the value of y
Yes.
can be
Yes.
only
Dependent on the
x.
yeah.
So x is independent. X is not
Yes.
dependent on anything.
Yeah.
And y is dependent, right? Up to here it is clear.
Yeah. Yeah.
So in order to draw graphs, right? In order to plot graph of this, in the school itself we studied, right? Which we should know the
Yeah.
value of x and y, right?
Yes.
Because y will be plotted in y-axis and x will be plotted in x-axis. So this is xy graph in 2D, right?
Mm.
This is x-axis, this is y-axis. Now create a table. We can take any value for x and y, for x, right?
Mm.
So start with 0 because I am just checking whether when x is 0, what will happen. You can take minus and all also. Those things we'll do when we are doing linear regression. Okay.
Okay.
So you can take any value for x. Suppose I'm taking x equal to 0. Okay? Means I'm checking when x is 0, what will the value of y. So y will be how much? This is your equation. Here you put x equal to 0. So y will become 2
Yeah,
into
bro.
0 plus 3. It is 3. When you are giving x equal to 1, so y will become, I'm going very slow, 2 into x is having y. Okay? This is 7. X equal to 2. Y, what is y? 2 into 2 plus 3.
Yeah, the previous one 5, right? 5 is 7.
Yeah, bro. This is 7. Right? X equal to 3. Y equal to 2 into 3 plus 3. 6 plus 3, 9. Anyone has doubt until here?
No.
No, right?
No.
All right. So now let us plot it. Okay. I think my drawing is not right. I'll try better. Okay. This is our origin O, 0. This is X. This is Y. Right? Now I have to plot 1, 2, 3. So take this much division at 1. Same 2, 3. Right? And Y is going from 3 to 9. Right? So suppose this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hmm? Now let us plot. When x is 0, y is 3. So when x is 0, y is 3. So this is the point. When x is 0, y is 3. Okay. When x is 1, y is 5. So when x is 1, y is 5. So it will be somewhere here. You can draw a straight line here or horizontal line. Wherever they cut, it is a point. When x is 2, y is 7. So for 2, y is 7. So it will be somewhere here. When x is 3, y is 9. When x is 3, y is 9. Somewhere. 9 is here. So my line is, suppose if you want to connect all the curves and try to draw a best fit line. Okay? So one line you can draw like this. Second line you can draw, just leave it. Okay? We can draw like this. So likewise, we can draw multiple lines if there are multiple points here, unless it is clear how we draw. There is. Any doubt how to draw the graph?
No, Raji.
Okay. Then I will tell you what is. So graph will be, straight line will be like this only. Sometimes it will be very, so this is your straight line, right? So this is y equal to x line. So y equal to x line is straight line passing through origin. Because when you put x equal to 0, y will come as 0, correct? Confused? Okay. Give me some time, I'll just help. Suppose my line is, my equation is y equal to x, right? So for this, we need to draw table, right? Now here, x is dependent. And y is independent. Always left hand side will be independent because y is dependent on x. Whatever value you will give to x, that will become the value of y. So x, y, I'm writing. Just write 0, 1, 2, 3. If you are giving x equal to 0, so y will also become 0. If you are giving x equal to 1, so that 1 will be assigned to y. Y1, 2, 3. Right? Same here. 4, 5. So it will also become 4, 5. Right? I'm trying to explain you slope, guys. Okay, you already know it, but you might have forgotten. Okay. X. So my points are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm drawing 0 here. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hmm. So this will be your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when x is 0, when x is 0, y is also 0. Means x is 0, y is 0. Means this is your point. When 1 is 1, y is also 1. So this will be your point. Somewhere around here. 2, 2, somewhere around here. 3, 3, 3 and 3. Somewhere around here. Likewise 4, 4, somewhere around here. 5, 5, somewhere around here. Okay. So now the straight line is like this. and this straight line is passing through origin. Right? And this is the equation of y equal to x. Got right?
Yes,
So what
correct.
is slope? So what is slope? Slope can be found between any 2 points. Suppose here it is 5. So point should ideally come here, not here. I'm not getting that eraser button. What happened? So I'm shifting this point here. Okay. This is 5, 5. And this is 4, 4. Just I am just drawing a line here and draw here. Okay? So in this triangle, what will be this distance? See, up to here is 5. So up to here it will be, see,
1, 2,
yeah. So it is here. So until here it is
4.
4, right? And here it is this point,
Mm.
distance of this point from x-axis is 5, and this is at 4, right? So this is 5. So this will be this minus this, right?
1, 1.
So this is 1. Right? Same thing here. Distance of this point. What is the distance of this point? Because you can increase it like this. So distance of this point, right, is 5. Right? So here to here is 5. And distance of this point from origin is
4.
4. Right? So this distance will be 1. Right? Correct. And this is the angle theta, right? Because I have a line. I have a line which is going like this. Right? So in order to find the slope, I will take any 2 points and find the tan theta. Right? There are other formulas also we'll study. So this is theta. Right? So now tan theta is how much in this triangle, right? Now this is a triangle. Let's assume it is A, B, C. Triangle A, B, C. This is theta. This is 1 unit and this also is 1 unit. Right? Tan theta equal to perpendicular by base. It is 1 by 1. Right? Is equal to 1. Right? Tan theta equal to 1. So slope is how much? This is known as M. M equal to 1. So the slope of this is 1. And theta will be tan 45 degrees 1. Right? So theta is 1. Theta is 45 degree. Okay. you want to know the slope of this, right? Draw any 2 points, right? Draw perpendiculars. Okay. Find this distance and find this distance, right? And find the angle theta. बाबू दरवाजा बंद कर लो ना, दरवाजा क्लोज कर लो, हाँ बंद कर लो. Some work is happening. So tan theta is perpendicular by base. It is BC by AC. If you know this distance, now this distance, how it will come, right? So we know these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? We also know this 3, 4, 5. So this distance minus this distance will give this distance, and this is the distance. Yeah, you can find any two distance also. Here also you can find. Your slope will be same. Maybe I'll explain it tomorrow as well. This is important. Are you guys understanding or not?
Yes, Kedar. Kedar, one doubt. Only triangle is possible, or we can go with other shapes also, like.
No, angle and distance. If you know the distance,
Yes.
right, you can easily find out. So,
Okay.
not angle.
Okay.
Okay, let's assume this is your point A, right? This is your point B, right?
Okay.
Right? And this is distance 2. This is distance 3. Right?
Okay, got it.
Not angle, right? So M equal to Y by X is also possible. Y is
Okay.
3 and this is 2, 1.5, right? But
Okay.
ideally this M is nothing but tan theta.
Tan theta. Okay. Tan theta by perpendicular by what? Yes.
So, okay, Pythagoras theorem comes now. Let us assume this is A, B, C. This is 90 degree and this is angle theta. So this is perpendicular, this is base and this is hypotenuse. Right? I'll give you all. Sin theta equal to
0.
perpendicular by hypotenuse. Right? No, 0 no. Base by hypotenuse. Right? So tan theta will be how much? Sin theta by cos theta. Right? If you write P by H and B by H, H cancel, right? It is P by B. So tan theta is P by B. Perpendicular versus base. Okay.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
Yeah. So what I'm going to tell you, this tan theta slope, learning rate, and differentiation we'll do tomorrow. Okay. Not very difficult, but it will be very easy. Okay. Anyone is there who did not understand this slope? This is very important. Else we'll cover it tomorrow as well.
Yes, Kedaji, got it. Let's go through it again.
Hmm?
Yeah, got it. will work on it.
All right, guys. I'm stopping here.
Thank you.
Okay. So
Yeah. Thank you, Kedaji. Thank you, team.
Good. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you,
Everyone.
no
Kedar.
problem.
Thanks,
Thank
Kedar.
you.
Yeah.